All of our VG monitors come in eco-friendly packaging. With that, we're trying to reduce plastics and styrofoams for things like green initiatives, so companies don't have a lot of waste as they're rolling out larger scale deployments. All of our DFS monitors have the Microsoft logo on the front to show that they are part of this program and have gone through that testing and validation with the Design for Surface team. And then how we've designed the monitors, both in the packaging and setup, help to facilitate a quick and easy deployment. So for example, in this monitor, we take it, and this is what we call our pizza box style design. So it just opens up and flips open, and right at the top, we have all the components necessary that we need for our stand. Again, we have tried to reduce all plastics and styrofoams for a more eco-friendly footprint. And what you have in this is you have our base for our monitor, as well as you have the neck for the monitor just right there on top, along with the cables that are needed for connectivity. We have a USB-C cable, so you can use that to directly connect to your Surface device. And then it's a toolless design, so you don't need any additional like screwdriver or screws to set up. You're just going to take the base and you take the stand, it clicks in, and then you've got a finger screw on the bottom that you're just going to turn to connect the base and to the stand. It takes just a few seconds to get that connected. Again, no tools necessary, and then you've got your stand fully set up. Then you're able to remove this top layer of the box, and on the bottom we have our monitor set up ready to go. The box opens up, and you're able to basically just click this stand into the monitor head. It's got a protective covering on it right now. It's got a handle so that you can pull it up ready to go, and that's in a minute, less than that, 30 seconds. You basically have your monitor set up and ready to go. All of our monitors, since they are designed for B2B usage, they all have a full ergonomic stand. So that is height adjust, pivot, swivel, and tilt. So they can be used for a variety of use cases, as well as provide optimal ergonomics so that you are comfortable in your workspace setup.